Hello everyone. In this video bengithanda ukunixwayisa ngokuthi mawuthenga ama-Bitcoin bengicela uwa-reporte ku-SARS through e-filing. Mawuthenga ama-Bitcoin uwa-reporte ku-SARS through e-filing. Uzokhuluma nomuntu wakho we-tax noma mawukwazi ukuzenzela wena uyele wena ka-SARS uwa-report. Before uSARS ubuconsiderisha ama-Bitcoin as CGA, capital gain tax, meaning baku-taxa only masuwadayisa back ama-Bitcoin, then le mali oyenzile as i-profit ila baku-taxa kuyona. But akuyona indlela esekuyiyona manje. Mawuzofunda i-documentation uzothola ukuthi uSARS usubuka i-Bitcoin as intangible asset, meaning a non-physical asset that holds value for business or ama-investors. Lento izosiza kakhulu amabhizinisi afuna ukuseva imali yayo through ama-Bitcoin. So ngiyacela kakhulu uwa-reporte ama-Bitcoin akho ku-SARS. Mongazi ukuthi a-reportwa kanjani, cela ukhulume nomuntu o-qualified kwi-tax noma o-qualified as a financial advisor. Mina angiyona i-financial advisor. Ngiyabonga.